Cladco Hollow Core Original Composite Decking Boards are the perfect outdoor solution for those looking for a low maintenance decking space. Engineered using a unique 5-hole honeycomb structure, Cladco domestic grade composite decking boards are lightweight and strong. Cladco Original Composite Decking Boards feature a low-slip walking surface with the help of narrow grooves on one side to provide efficient water runoff and more grip underfoot. Cladco Composite Decking Boards are available in 2.4 and 4 metre lengths and in a wide choice of 8 colours to transform any outdoor space. Cladco Hollow Core Composite Decking Boards measure 150mm wide and 25mm thick, providing more coverage than the average decking board on the market. Cladco End Caps are available in matching colours to seal off the exposed ends of the hollow core decking boards for a professional finish. Manufactured from environmentally friendly materials, Cladco composite boards consist of 60% recycled certified wood fibres and 40% recycled plastics with resins, tints and dyes. Unlike traditional timber decking, Cladco composite decking boards are rot, insect and splinter resistant, making sure they continue to look great for years to come. What's more, Cladco composite decking requires no staining, sanding or varnishing, reducing the long-term costs of maintenance when compared to timber alternatives. Cladco composite decking boards come with a 10-year guarantee. Composite corner trims, skirting trims and fascia trims are all available to complete your composite decking design, as well as Cladco composite bullnose boards for a rounded finishing edge.